Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations here are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made, as it was another very, very impressive movement. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, $10 is what I would now call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above $10, that would be a great sign of power. But from the grand scheme of it all, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below that level, that implies it's all destroyed or ruined, because, again, from the big picture, it's all about that purple line, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining, quote-unquote, the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 10 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. Party stopped today right up there at $11. So $11 will be that initial level to watch closely going forward. But at the end of the day, resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, it matters the most is what the price has already been doing. And that is that right there. Just building those higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue on in the upwards direction, then just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.